Back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna unbox and show you guys one of the most beautiful whiskey set, Royal Reserve. Incredible 2-glass whiskey set. Perfect gift idea for anyone. Incredible handmade woodcraft pine wood. We're gonna unbox this and show you guys. I'm gonna be taking a drink to show you. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. It's a perfect gift box. This right here is a whiskey card telling you from all different Scotch and how the whiskey's made and all that stuff. Knowledge you while you're drinking. Plus you got coaster. Oh man, look. You could put your two whiskey glass on there. No spill, nothing. It's incredible. And we're going to come here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it comes with a holder bag. So it has a bag right here to hold all the ice cube. And these are the whiskey ice stone. So you put this in the freezer. You keep them nice and chill. And we got a little tongue right here. We're gonna use this to grab him, so you're not touching it with your hands. Wow, it's a really good weight to it. I love how the bottle kind of twists and come like that. Gorgeous quality so far is incredible. Even the glass, even the top part is like twists, so with a pattern and a style. Look at that, gorgeous. Oh my, wow, incredible. So you can see everything is matched with the twists coming like that right here, with a square bottom. Oh, it's an amazing set. You can see right here how beautiful it is. Look at this. Wow. Salute. Cheers. And I'm going to be drinking my drink with that. That is incredible. Look at that. It's a beautiful set. So now I'm going to have to go buy some whiskey to pour in there. I love this. I love the box. When you finish, if you don't want to, you could leave this by your bar, or you could put this anywhere you want. Look at this. Gorgeous. Outstanding box. Good craftsmanship, good quality. I'm telling you, I am a big fan of this bottle and everything. I love the twist of it. Look at the twist. Gorgeous. Don't forget to check in the description box for price and details. And as a person who drinks, I'm not proud to say that I drink a lot, but I do drink. Thumbs up on Product Zone. Definitely good company, good review, and I'm telling you my honest opinion. It's definitely a great whiskey gift for anyone.